These are today's finds. And I'd like you to take a look at some of these that we find. Look at that. Went out this morning and came back with some beauties. Now just hang on with me. I'll get this one to you. Ooh, sweet. Gonna have to overlook some of that red from the paint from the blade. Hurry up with the next one. Oh, there we go. A lot of quartz rolling through that. And now for the next one. Hurry up, Daddy-o, get that rock. Nice. I don't know what the hell kind of stones these are, but they sure are neat. Oh, looky this one. Ooh. Wow. Hurry up with the next one. Here it comes. Here it comes. Are you ready? Here's some type of agate. I got some neat little stuff in there. A plume agate. And for the last one, I think you'll like the colors in this. Ta-da! Dung, 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 dung. Thank you.